Hello dear students, in our upcoming videos we are going to include many more chapters of Maths 1 and 2. Maths selected important problems and theorems chapter wise will be discussed. As per new paper pattern, question number 4 and 5 of Maths are asked out of text. Such problems from various publications will be solved and explained. This will bring confidence during exam. Science important topics, problems and diagrams will be discussed and many important concepts. Don't forget to like and share our channel. To remain updated, subscribe our channel. Thank you. Problem set 3. Choose a correct alternative answer for each of the following sub-questions. Simple questions are given. It will just give you the hint on the answer. The first question. Sequence is given to you. -10, -6, -2, 2 and so on. Now let us term them T1, T2, T3, T4. Let's take the difference. T2 minus T1 will have -6 of -10. We are having 4. T3 minus T2. Again we have -2 of -6. 4. T4 minus T3 we have 2 minus of -2, 4. So the common difference is 4, that is D is 4. So the choice is B. Second question. First 4 term of an AP are dash dash dash. Whose first term is -2 and common difference is -2. You are given 4 choice, you have to answer them out. So let's see. First term means what? T1 is given -2 and common difference is given to you -2. So the second term will be T2 will be equal to T1 plus D, that is -2 plus of -2, and this is simply going to give me -4. Again T3 is nothing but what? T2 plus D, that is -4 and -2, you're going to get -6. That means there are 3 options you are getting here. First value is T1 is -2, second is -4 and -3. And from here, seeing the options in your choice, you are having C, -2, -4, -2, -6. So -2, -4, -8. So we have the option C. Question number 3. What is the sum of the first 30 natural number? So first we write down the sequence. 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now we are interested S30. So first we will write down A is 1, D is 2 minus 1 is 1, and we are interested S30 is question mark. So we'll use the formula Sn equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1d. Substitute the value and you will get the answer. And when you get the answer of S30, the answer is going to be 465. That is, option will be B. Question number 4. T7 is given 4. Common difference D is given -4. A is question mark. We will use the formula of nth term. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Now T7 is given, so we'll write down T7. A we want to find out 7 minus 1 into d. D is minus 4. And this value, it is given 4. After solving, you will get the value of a, that is 28. And the option is D. Question number 5. A is given 3.5. D is given 0. And N is given 101. You are interested in finding Tn. We have formula for Tn. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1D. That is T101. A 3.5 plus N is 101 minus 1 into D is 0. So answer is coming 3.5. So your option comes out of these 4 options. A is 0, B is 3.5, C is this, D is this. So B. Question number 6. They are given in EP. AP is given minus 3, 4, and so on. First 2 terms are given. So here you will take it A equal to minus 3, D equal to 4 of minus 3. This is going to give you 7. You are interested in 21st term. So T21 is question mark. Use the formula Tn equal to A plus N minus 1D. And after solving, you will be getting T21 equal to 137. So the option will be C. Question number 7. D is given 5. And they are interested T18 minus T13. Now first we will write out the formula for Tn. Tn equal to A plus N minus 1D. Now let's have a division of the 2 part. First we'll take a T18. T18 A plus 18 minus 1 into D equal to A plus 17D. This is first equation. Again T13 you have A plus 13 minus 1, that is A plus 12D, and this will be your second part. Now you are interested in T18 minus T13, that is A plus 17D minus A plus 12D. That is this A will cancel. 17 minus 12 will give me 5D. And this is nothing but what? 5 into D is given value is 5. So you are getting 25. And your option comes 25 is nothing but was option number C. Sum of first 5 multiple of 3. So if you take the sequence, first 5 multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, it will come. Where A will be 3, D will be 6 minus 3 will give me 3. And the last term Tn will be 15. And number of terms will be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are interested in finding sum, that is S15 is question mark. Use the formula Sn equal to n upon 2 T1 plus Tn. This formula. You can use the first formula also, and your answer will come after substitution 45. That is your option will be A. Question number 9. 15, 10, 5 is the AP. So given sequence 5, 10, 15. This we will take it A. Common difference will be 10 minus 15. That is minus 5. Sum of first 10 terms. So they are interested in S10. Use the formula for Sn. n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d, and you will get an answer after substitution minus 75. That is, your option is A. Question number 9. 15, 10, 5 is the AP. So given sequence 5, 10, 15. This we will take it A. Common difference will be 10 minus 15, that is minus 5. Sum of first 10 terms. So they are interested in S10. Use the formula for Sn. N upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d, and you will get an answer after substitution minus 75. That is, your option is A. Question number 10. T1 is given 1. Tn is given 20. Sn is given 399. Now we will use the second formula of Sn. Sn equal to n upon 2 T1 plus Tn. Let us substitute the value. Sn 399 equal to n is not given. T1 1, Tn 20. Therefore 399 equal to n upon 2. 1 plus 20 will be giving me 21. Therefore n is nothing but what? 399. This 2 will go up and 21 will go down. Here we can cancel 21 ja, and this will go directly 19 ja. So we can have further therefore n equal to 19 into 2, that is 38, and the options comes to you. Out of this 4, A is 42, B is 38, C is 21, and D is 19. Our answer is 38. The option is B. Question number 2. Find the fourth term from the end of the AP, and the AP is given to us minus 11, minus 8, minus 5, 49. Let us term them. This will be our T1, T2, T3, and so on, and this will be our nth term. So here A is minus 11 and D is T2 minus T1, that is minus 8 of minus 11, that is plus 3, and 49 will be the nth term. Tn will be the 14. So we know the three values. We know Tn, we know D3, we know A minus 11. Now let us write down the formula for nth term. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d. And let us substitute the values. So we have Tn here 49, A is minus 11, n we don't know, D is 3. Therefore 49 minus 11 will come this side, you do plus 11, n minus 1 into 3. Therefore 49 plus 11, 60, n minus 1 into 3. Further we can have n minus 1 will be coming on this side and 3 will come down, that is 60 upon 3. Therefore n minus 1 is equal to 20. Therefore n equal to 20 plus 1, that is n equal to 21. Now we got the value of n. Now we are interested in finding fourth term from the end. So fourth term from the end of the AP, that is 21 minus 3, that is 18th term we want. So let's first write down again the formula. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1d, and then let's substitute the values here. T18, a we know it minus 11, n we know it 18 minus 1, and d we know it 3. So T18 is equal to minus 11 plus 18 minus 1, 17 into 3. So T18, where will we know? 17 to 3 will be giving 50. And further we can have T18 will be 40. So we can say the last line here, fourth term from the end of AP is 40. Question number 3. In an AP, the 10th term is 46. The sum of 5th and 7th term is 52. Find the AP. So first we will write down the given. Tenth term is given 46, and fifth term plus seventh term is given 52. Now we know the formula for nth term. Let us write down the formula for nth term. Pn equal to a plus n minus 1d. Now, first we'll substitute the value of T10. So T10 is equal to a plus 10 minus 1 d is equal to 46. That is a plus 9d is equal to 46. And this will be our first equation. Now, we substitute the form in the formula T5 and T7. So first T5 and then T7. So T5 plus T7 equal to a plus 5 minus 1d plus a plus n is 7 here, 7 minus 1d equal to 52. That is a plus 4d, a plus 6d equal to 52. A and a will give me 2a, 4d plus 6 will give me 10d equal to 52. Divide by 2, this will further give me a plus 5d equal to 26. And this will be our second equation. Subtract equation 2 from 1. That is, we write down first a plus 9d equal to 46, and then a plus 5d equal to 26, second equation. Would like to subtract. Ninety minus 5d will give 4d. 46 minus 26 will be giving 20. Therefore, d will be 20 upon 4. Therefore, d will be 5. Substitute in equation 2. Now, equation 2 says a plus 5d equal to 26. Therefore, a plus 5d is equal to 26. Here d is 5. A plus 25 is equal to 26. Therefore, a equal to 26 minus 25. So 5 will go to that side, so minus a equal to 26 minus 25. Therefore, a is equal to 1. So we got the two values. First term a equal to 1, common difference d equal to 5. Now, further they have asked in the question, find the AP. So you are interested in AP. So let us find the AP. Now, T1 will be nothing but A, that is 1. T2 will be nothing but T1 plus D, that is 1 plus 5 equal to 6. T3 will be nothing but T2 plus D, that is 6 plus 5 equal to 11. Therefore, AP will be 1, 6, 11, and so on. Question number 4. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the AP, whose 4th term is minus 15 and 9th term is minus 30. So here it is given 4th term is minus 15 and 9th term is minus 30. We have formula for nth term. Tn equal to a plus minus 1d Now, let us substitute the value T4, that is T4 is equal to a plus n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 d, and this is nothing but equal to minus 15. That is a plus 3d is equal to minus 15, and this will mark down equation number 1. Now, same way we will substitute T9, that is n will be taken as 9. So here we will take T9 is equal to a plus 9 minus 1 d, that is a plus 9 minus 1 8d, and this is equal to minus 30. And this we can take it second equation. Now, subtract one from 2. So first we'll write down equation number 2, a plus 8d is equal to minus 30. And second we will write down a plus 3d is equal to minus 15. First equation. And let us subtract So when we are talking about subtraction, 8 minus 3 will be giving you 5d. Minus 30 plus 15 will give you minus 15. Therefore, d will be equal to minus 15 upon 5. That is, d will be giving you minus 3. So you got the value of d, that is common difference. Now, substitute in equation 1, that is first equation. A plus 3d, 3 into d equal to minus 15. Now d value you know, minus 3. So we can have a minus 9. 3 into minus 3 will give minus 9 equal to minus. Therefore, further we can have a will be equal to minus 15, minus 9 will go that side, it will become plus 9. Therefore, a will become minus 6. So we got both the values. One, we got the value of d, common difference. Second, we got the value of a, the first term. Now what they have asked further, they have asked find the sum of 10 terms, sum of first 10 term, that is S10 they are requiring. They are interested in S10. So let us find the S10. S10 is question mark. We'll write in the formula for Sn. Sn equal to n upon 2, 2a, n minus 1 d. Let us substitute the value of S10. It means that n we have to take 10. So here it will come 10 upon 2. 2 into a will be minus 6 plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1, and d will be minus 3. So here it will get cancelled, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. So further we have S10 equal to 5. 2 into minus 6 will give me minus 12. 10 minus 1 will be 9 minus 3. So S10 we will have here 5 minus 27. Further we can go S10 equal to 5 minus 39. S10 equal to 5 into minus 39 will give us minus 195. Question number 5. 975 and 24, 21, 18 are the two given APs. If nth term of n both the progressions are equal, then find the value of n and nth term. So there are two progressions are given. So let's see the first progression, 975. Here we can have a equal to 9 and d equal to 7 minus 9, that is equal to minus 2. Now let us take the nth term. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Let us substitute the value here. Tn equal to 9 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. So Tn is equal to 9, n into minus 2n, minus minus plus 2. So Tn is equal to 9 plus 2, 11 minus 2n. And this will be your first expression. The second AP, here also A is 24 and D is 21 minus 24, that is minus 3. Let us take the formula for nth term, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 d. Let us substitute the value. Tn equal to 24 plus n minus 1 into minus 3, that is 24 minus 3n minus plus 3. Therefore Tn equal to 27 minus 3n, and this will be giving me the second equation. Now from the given condition, from the condition, what does the condition say? Nth term of both the progressions are equal. This is the nth term in the left hand side and this is the nth term in the right hand. Both are equal. So this will be equal to this. That is 11 minus 2n is equal to 27 minus 3n. Therefore minus 2n and minus 3n will come this side, it will become plus 3n is equal to 27. 11 will go that side, it will become minus 11. If n equal to 16. Now further they have asked find the nth term, that is they are interested in Tn is question mark, that is T16 is question mark. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Now we can have T16 substitute, we will do it. T16 a 9 16 minus 1 into d, d will be minus 2, that is T16 is equal to 9 plus 15 into minus 2, that is T16 is equal to 9 minus 30, that is T16 equal to 9 minus 30 will be giving me minus 21. Question number 6. Find the 10th term of an AP. Condition is given, sum of its third term and 8th term is 7. One more condition is given, sum of 7th term and 14th term is minus 3. So first we'll write down the formula of nth term. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Now condition 1. What it says? Sum of third term plus 8th term is equal to 7. Let us substitute the value of T3 in the formula and T8 in the formula. So T3 first we will substitute. Therefore a plus 3 minus 1 T 8, a plus 8 minus 1, therefore a plus 2d, a plus 7d equal to 7. Therefore a plus a is going to give me 2a plus 2d plus 7d, 9d equal to 7. And this will be my first equation. Condition number 2. What it says? Sum of 7th term and 14th term, that is T7 T14 is equal to minus 3. So first we will substitute the value of T7 in the formula, T14 in the formula. So T7 a plus 7 minus 1 d, a plus 14 minus 1d. Therefore, a plus 6d, a plus 13d equal to minus 3. Therefore, a and a is going to give me 2a, 6 plus 13 going to 19d, and this is equal to minus 3. And this will be your second equation. Now let us solve the equation number 1 and equation number 2 to get the value of a and d. Subtract 1 from 2. So you want to subtract 1 from 2. Second equation you know very well. 2a plus 19d is equal to minus 3. This is your second equation. First equation, a plus 9d is equal to 7. This is your first equation. Now let's subtract. This get cancelled. 90 minus 9 is going to give me 10d. And minus 3 minus minus 10. Therefore, d will be equal to minus 10 upon 10. Therefore, d will be minus 1. Now, let's go further. Substitute the value of d in equation 1. Substitute the value of d in equation, that is, equation number 1 will be 2a plus 9 into d is equal to 7. We substitute the value of d here, minus 1. So 2a, therefore 2a minus 9 is equal to 7. Therefore 2a is equal to 7 plus 9. Therefore 2a is equal to 16. Therefore a is equal to 16 upon 2. Therefore a is equal to 8. Now the question says, find the 10th term. Find the 10th term. That is, T10 is question mark. Again we'll use the formula for 10th term. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Substitute the values. Therefore, T10 is equal to A, you know very well, 8, which we have found out. T10, that is n is going to give me 10, 10 minus 1. And D, you have already found out, minus 1. Therefore, T10 equal to 8 plus 9 into minus 1. Therefore, T10 is equal to 8. 9 into minus 1 will give me minus 9. Therefore, T10 is equal to minus 1. In an AP, the first term is minus 5 and the last term is 45. If sum of all the numbers in the AP is 120, then how many terms are there? What is the common difference? The first term is given. That is T1 is equal to A is given to minus 5. And the last term is given, that is Tn is given to you 45. And sum of nth term, that is Sn, is also given, Sn equal to 120. Now, we have formula for Sn. Formula for Sn. Sn equal to n upon 2. Second formula we'll use T1 plus Tn. Therefore, Sn is 120. N we don't know. First term we know n is 5. Last term we know 45. N upon 2. Minus 5 into 40 will be giving me 40. Now we can cancel here. There's a multiplication sign is 2 1 ja, 2 20 ja. Therefore, 120 is equal to n into 20. Therefore, n is equal to 120 divided by 20. Therefore, n will be equal to 6. Now, you got the value of n. We can write here, therefore, there are 6 terms in AP. So n we have got it 6. Now we can say Tn is nothing but what? T6, and we have know the value 45. This is given to you. We have a formula for Tn. Write our formula again. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1d, and Tn, that is 45, is given. So let us substitute the values. A is given the first term minus 5. N is given 6 minus 1 into d. 45 minus 5 will come this side, will come plus 5. Therefore, this 5d will write on the left side, and 45 plus 5 will become 50. Therefore, d will be 50 upon 5. Therefore, we can have further value d equal to 10. Therefore, we can say common difference equal to small d is equal to 10.